this lecture, we will go over how to add Google Analytics to your YouTube channel. Connecting Google Analytics allows you to analyze and keep track of your channel's traffic. In order to do this, we will need to access Google Analytics and create a new property ID to add to your channel settings. Also, you can use Google Analytics to associate your business website with your YouTube channel. This will show that you actually own the website that you're connecting to your account. By associating your business website, YouTube can verify that the channel represents the official brand on the platform. This also helps YouTube to improve the search results quality to help users find your channel. To associate your business website, you'll first have to join the YouTube Partner Program. Before you can join the Partner Program, your channel will first have to meet certain requirements. We'll go over this later in the course. But for now, let's go over the steps to add Google Analytics to your channel. Go ahead and head to your channel homepage, and let's click the button to go to the YouTube Studio. From here, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to the Settings tab. From the Settings menu, we're going to go down to Other Settings, and then click on Advanced Settings. Once you're on the Advanced Settings page, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you should see a box where you can enter your Google Analytics Property Tracking ID. To get your property ID, you'll first have to go to your Google Analytics account. So let's head over there now and create a new property ID for our channel. The web address is going to be analytics.google.com. Since you were just on your YouTube channel, you should already be logged in. But if not, go ahead and log in with your Google email and your password. Once you're logged into your Google Analytics account, you want to look at the menu on the left-hand side and look all the way down at the bottom and click on the Admin tab. Here's where you can create a new property ID or manage property IDs that you've previously created. So let's create a new property ID to add to our new YouTube channel. Let's start with the first column on the left and click on the blue Create Account button. Here's where you can enter all the details for your new account. Let's start by selecting your account name. Your accounts can contain more than one tracking ID. I'm simply going to name mine Technical Analysis HQ. You can then select your data sharing settings, but I'm just going to leave mine as the default. If I scroll down, you can see that I currently have 7 accounts, and you can have a maximum of 100. This is to keep track of the analytics for several websites and YouTube channels. So once you're ready, go ahead and click on the blue Next button. Here's where you can select what you want to measure. This can be web, which is your website, apps, which can be your iOS or Android app, or apps and web, which measures your users across the apps and web. For our YouTube channel, let's just select web. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Next. So here's where we can create our new property. Let's start by typing in our website name, which I'm just going to use my YouTube channel name. Next, we're going to input our website URL, which is going to be our channel homepage URL. So let's head back over to YouTube and go to My Channel. Once you're on your channel homepage, let's go up to the top and copy the URL. Once you've copied your URL, let's head back over to Google Analytics and paste it into the website URL text field. Your channel URL will start with HTTPS, so let's click the drop-down menu here and select HTTPS. Next, you can select your industry category. For my YouTube channel, the category is going to be Finance. Once you select your category, you can then go down and select your time zone. I'm going to select Eastern New York time. Once you're finished setting up your property details, go ahead and click the blue Create button. You will then be taken to the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Go ahead and read over the agreement, select the checkboxes, then click I accept at the bottom. And there we have it. Your new tracking ID should now be created. Your tracking ID will be the number at the top that starts with the 2 letters UA. Let's go ahead and copy our new tracking ID to our clipboard. Once you've copied your tracking ID, let's head back over to the YouTube Advanced Settings page. Go ahead and paste your tracking ID into the Google Analytics Property Tracking ID text field. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Save. And there we have it. You can now track your channel using Google Analytics. To view your channel traffic, either go to your Google Analytics website, or you can download the Google Analytics mobile app. I'll see you in the next video.